Let's continue. One more video of Django Oscar. This time, let's take a look on how to notify the store owner that an order was placed by a client. Going to be following this post in my blog, link in the description. So Django Oscar has this feature of creating communication events. Let's go to the admin. I have a link in the post and look for communication, communication event types, and let's create a new communication event type. So previously I was trying this. Let's name it, or let's give it a code of notify store, notify underscore store, notify store owner of a new order placement. The category order related. Just like that, and hit save. Now, in the dashboard of Django Oscar, we have an content email templates, the notify store communication event. And Django Oscar offers this interface to, let's say, configure or create an email template. Now, for this example, we will be using a very similar template to the one sent to the client, and let's just modify some parts of it. Okay. All right, we can use the email subject template with this text. So email subject template, this email content is just an example. So the fields that we are changing are these three. So email body text template. Let's see this. Could be the same thing. You can modify this to your needs. And now, yeah, the email body HTML template. So you either can get it from here, from my blog, or you can go to my site, templates, Oscar, communication, emails, order placed, body.html. Let's look for that. Templates, Oscar, communication, emails, and order placed email. So you can use any of them, or you can create your own template. And remember that this is an email and that they have some rules. They don't use divs, they will use tables instead and stuff like that. Now in here, I'm going to change the text to "We are pleased to confirm your order." I will say that a new order was placed with order number, and that's good. Okay, I'm not even gonna touch the rest of it. They have this option to send a preview email, so you always need to fill the order number with an existent order. If you are not sure what is the order numbers of your store previously placed orders, you can go to fulfillment orders, and currently I have this, so I'm going to use just the first one as an example of preview. Yeah, alternatively you could send it as a real email. I'm just going to view. So it's this very simple email template. Again, you can modify this to look as you wish. Okay, I didn't save anything. I hit cancel before, but don't, or you will lose everything. Just click save, and it will return to the previous page. So, alright, that's about it. I'm going to save it again, and it should be done. Now let's continue to the final step. Now, what we need to do is to identify whenever an order is placed. So we will be using signals again in the store app we have created previously. And what is going to happen is whenever an order is placed, we run this code. We get the notify store event code that we have previously created. Then you need to choose which email do you want to notify. So this will be the owner of the store email. We create a dictionary with information that will be used in the email template, and we use the communication event type with event code and the dictionary. Okay, then we use the dispatcher to send the email. That's it. It's that simple. I'm going to copy. I'm going to copy this code and paste it in store signal, and should be working. Now let's test this. I'm also going to open Gmail. Good. And in Oscar, I'm going to log out and create a new account. We haven't done this, registering an account, but let's test it. Here's some password, register, and let's say it's not requiring confirmation, but this is something that you can use as a setting. So require confirmation emails. Right now it's not requesting that. All right, new account, and now I should receive an email in this new account and an email for the owner. Let's try that. Check out now. I need to set an address again. No thanks. Pick up in store. Just going to skip the payment part and place the order. Okay, me, because I am sending emails with this email, actually, from the Django Oscar store. This email is related to the registering, and here we have the client confirmation of order 18. So this one we have seen previously. Now if everything went all right, yes, here it is, new order placed. So this would refer to the owner of the store, and it's a very similar email template. We could change this again. Hi, Jamie, this is Silva. A new order has been placed. I ended up changing this text, but that's it. Now, the owner of the store also receives emails. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for all the support. I hope you are enjoying, and yeah, thank you. Bye.